Welcome to Archiesense. Roscommon House is a modern home built on a site with a long history. The design of the house seeks to respect the local architectural heritage, particularly the modernist and brutalist styles, while still offering fresh solutions that are in line with today's needs. The house bridges the gap between past, present, and future, while also reflecting the spirit of the suburban community. The design of the house pays close attention to the relationship between the interior and exterior spaces. The courtyard is designed to be an extension of the living space inside, creating a natural and comfortable atmosphere. Solid exterior materials are also used in the interior to create visual continuity. The interior of the house adopts the Japanese aesthetic of Wabi-Sabi, which values the beauty of imperfection. The use of materials such as uneven concrete gives a natural and calming impression. Roscommon House was designed with energy efficiency in mind. The careful orientation of the building and floor plan maximizes natural light and ventilation. The house is equipped with solar panels that generate more electricity than is needed. Excess electricity is stored in batteries for use when needed. The ultimate goal is to make the house completely energy independent. The choice of durable materials and good insulation help to keep the interior temperature stable throughout the year. This increases the comfort of the occupants and reduces the need for air conditioning or heating. The home designer focuses not only on architecture, but also on interior design, furniture selection, and landscaping. All these elements are designed in an integrated manner to create a harmonious and beautiful home. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.